Hello and welcome to Art Snacks. Today we're going to draw a finger. So I'm just going to put a finger on the paper, and I like to start by just tracing my finger. Okay? Once I have the outline, then I use my finger as a guide. So I get to look at it and say, what's it look like? Well, there's a finger now, right? A few little lines I can see, and I can see this little joint here. Okay? Now I'm going to take a closer look at that finger now. I'm going to go ahead and commit to these lines on the outside. What happens in the fingernail is there's sort of a cuticle down here. Looks like that. And the fingernail's got shading of its own. It's sort of dark on one side, pick a side, and lighter as it goes across. Usually it's got a highlight because it's made of a shiny substance. Okay? Now on the finger, let's make it dark on the edge. It's going to have a little bit of contour where it comes around the finger joint. You can put a shadow. There's the dog barking. Here's a little shadow under the finger where I put the. See, if I put my finger down, you see how there's a shadow here, right? Okay, that's the finger. See you next time on this barking episode of Art Snacks.